Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This here is what you came for, the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. I really like the packaging, I think it's really sleek, but what I like most about it and what I think y'all are going to like most about it is that there's a pump. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my face makeup routine. So I'm just going to use a regular foundation brush to buff everything in. If you notice, I'm using stippling motions to distribute the foundation across my face, and then I buff it all in. Because I already put on my brows, I don't want to mess them up, so I just get a small concealer brush and a little bit of the foundation, and I carve out my eyebrows. So this is one of my favorite concealers. I like using this because a little goes a long way. It's super full coverage and it's extremely creamy. I actually find this concealer super hydrating and it doesn't dry out my skin like some other concealers do. It also doesn't crease. For setting powder, I put it underneath my eyes, but I don't go back in. I use the rest to set my T-zone. For bronzer, I like to kind of shape out where I'm going to contour my face, and then I like to buff it upwards. To not like blush, but this really helps bring your face back to life after all the foundation and powder. For this look, I really wanted to go for a subtle highlight, so I'm using the custom enhancing drops from Cover Effects to create a soft highlight on the high points of my face. Final verdict, I love this foundation. It looks so good. This was actually the first day I wore the foundation. It didn't add on unnecessary texture like some foundations do. It doesn't make my skin look super cakey. I feel very natural. I really love this BareSkin look because it doesn't look like I'm trying too hard for my makeup, and it actually looks like your skin but better. Well, my skin, but better, you know? With this Houston heat, I think you can test and see if it'll actually work. But the wear is amazing. I love it so much. So I pushed wearing the foundation for about 18 hours. Please excuse my eyebrows. But I look a little oily, which is fine. For the most part, it still looks really good. I received this package from Influenster, so thanks guys for sending me this package for me to review. I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!